October was a great month, guys. Like, check this thing out. We got a huge sneaker haul for you guys today. Sneaker and, I guess, Hypebeast clothing haul. That one at the top is actually clothing, but mainly sneakers, as you guys can see. And I'm also going to be teaching you guys how you guys can save tons and tons of money on copying sneakers and actually earn money while copying sneakers. So that is all coming up, guys, right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a sneaker haul for you guys. Sneaker and Hypebeast haul. I don't know why I keep saying just sneakers. There's more than just sneakers in here. We also got clothing. But before we get into the unboxings, I do want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rakuten. If you guys didn't already know, Ebates has rebranded to Rakuten. It's the same great service with cashback at all of the same merchants, just with a different name. And Rakuten is the largest cashback website with over 2,500 merchants, including huge sneaker companies, guys, like Nike, Under Armour, Adidas. They have a lot of cashback option merchants on there, man. Not only that, they find you coupons, they find you promo codes, and all of it is completely free. Now, this is super important to me because I'm always telling you guys on this channel, like, we got to try to save money where we can when we're buying sneakers or clothing. And if we can try to make money with cash back too, that is also part of, technically, I guess, saving money or earning money, whichever you guys want to call it. And the implementation of what Rakuten does is so easy, guys, because you just click on the links on Rakuten and then you would shop normally as you would on websites. But the difference here is that when you guys are shopping, you're actually earning cash back. And I believe for Nike, for example, it's 7% cash back, guys. So if you guys buy a shoe for $100, you're getting $7 back. Like, that is insane. So why would you not sign up, man? It's free. What's even better is that if you guys sign up today, you will get a $10 welcome bonus from Rakuten when you guys spend on an order of $25 or more. And even better, like, this company is just really all about giving people money back. It's crazy, because even better, Rakuten is co-sponsoring a $100 giveaway for you guys. So if you guys click on the first link to sign up for Rakuten, then after that, there will be a second link in the description as well, where you click on that link and you will be entered into a giveaway where you can win $100 from Rakuten. Now, I think that we've talked enough about how much money Rakuten can save you. Let me actually show you how I've used it and what kind of shoes we've copped with it to earn cash back. Let's start off with some of the shoes, man. So as you guys can see, we got the Nike box, Just Do It tape over here. And Nike over here. This one is a size 10.5 Nike React Element 55, and it is a collab shoe. Can you guys guess what it is? Ooh, dude, these are nice in person. Wow. Okay, guys, so this is the Nike React Element 55 Kendrick Lamar. Now, you guys know who Kendrick Lamar is. Famous rapper, man. He's got some sick beats. But this is his collab shoe with Nike. He's done a couple in the past, but they were like Cortez models. This is the first of the Element 55 series. And honestly, this is a pretty sick sneaker, guys. Like, check this thing out. This is fire right here. It is on that new Nike React sole, which is pretty cool. And it also has like this tonal kind of look running throughout the shoe. There's no other branding that I can see on here that shows Kendrick Lamar. But obviously, if you guys look at this shoe from far away, it stands out more than any other Element 55. So this is a really nice pickup right here. And again, because I caught through Rakuten, I actually got 7% cash back on this. So very nice pickup right here, and able to earn cash back as well. This is a really nice shoe, man. Underrated, dude. I like it. Kendrick knows his stuff, apparently, because that is a nice sneaker. Next shoe out, another Nike box. Uh-oh. I'm gonna get in trouble for this one. That's right, man. So, whew. Okay, so I gotta preface this, guys, because I don't want to get in trouble from you guys and get flamed later on. The reason why I'm laughing about this shoe is because I actually just recently made a pretty controversial video saying that there was the ugliest shoe of the year in that video, and I actually bought that shoe to show that video, you know, because I didn't really enjoy what that looked like. Lo and behold, I actually tried to cop this on Nike and I actually hit. So don't flame me too bad for this when you guys see what's in this box, because it is a pair of the ugliest shoes of 2019. Again, it's personal preference, guys. This was my choice for ugliest shoe, but it's personal preference, man. If you guys like it, you guys like it, but we are allowed to have different opinions on the matter. So that's my thoughts on this. I'm not sure if you guys watched that video. It was linked somewhere up here, but let's check this thing out again. This is the Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 3.0, and it has like that crinkled leather upper, which is why I'm not feeling it as, you know, a good looking shoe. It just kind of looks tacky and it looks waxy and it just doesn't have a good vibe to it, in my opinion. This is my my preference on why I'm not really a fan of this, just because that leather looks so cheap and it looks fake and it's just not good looking. I know that this shoe was supposed to represent like shattered glass, which is why it has like that reflective kind of look and it's like kind of like broken up. But I don't know, I'm just not really feeling it, guys. Anyway, I caught this one for retail, so I couldn't really pass it up. There still is resale value on this, and I think the prices are gonna go up because apparently a lot of people like this sneaker. So that's cool, just not for me. A shoe that is for me though is this one right here, which I am super stoked over, guys. Ooh, man, I get excited when I see this orange box. Size 10 Nike Air Fear of God 1. So you guys can see over here, does have the bag or sneaker bag or whatever it comes with, and it does show Air Fear of God on the top. This does come with all of like the Air Fear of God series, so kind of nice little added bonus right there. These are extra laces and whatnot that go with the shoe as well. For the actual shoe, yo, okay, wow, this is a nice sneaker. Okay, so this is the Nike Air Fear of God 1s in the oatmeal colorway, guys. Since this shoe was like revealed online, I have been wanting this real bad. Like, this is so fire in my opinion. The fact that Jerry Lorenzo, who is like the owner of Fear of God, created like a sneaker that looks aesthetically nice and that he's using like very nice color palettes and stuff, I think that's a cool thing. Oatmeal colorway, obviously, because it has like that like brown, like maple kind of like look, you know, so it has like that oatmeal vibe with that translucent look to kind of make that sole pop a little bit more. Really like this sneaker right here. And now, as I told you guys, we actually caught some hype clothing here as well. And this was a good one because I actually can show you guys the process from start to finish on screen over here of what I did to use Rakuten in order to like save money on this purchase and actually find a lot of promo codes and discounts on here as well. So let me open it up and then I'll tell you guys exactly how I did that. So this was actually my first time purchasing from this company too, so this is kind of interesting. It definitely looks premium because I did cop this from John Elliott. You guys should know what John Elliott is. High fashion brand. But I did cop a pair of like cargo pants over here. Oh man, this is really soft. Dang. Okay, good. This is super sick. Okay, so as you guys can see, cargo pants. I'm not gonna be putting these on for you guys, obviously, but this is a really nice piece right here and very comfortable. The materials feel great and just an overall great look, man. I don't know why, but I really like the charcoal kind of look or like that gray look. So this was a nice pickup right here, man. And what is really nice about this is that I got a lot of cash back and also saved money because of Rakuten. Now, on Rakuten, I was able to go to John Elliott and I was looking at like what I could buy, which is where I found these cargo pants. And then I wanted to see, okay, so how much cash back could I actually earn from this thing? So Rakuten was able to get me 2% cash back on this purchase. And additionally, because I went to Rakuten, they were able to show me that I was able to use a promo code that you can get from the website John Elliott that I wouldn't have known otherwise unless Rakuten pointed it out. So I thought that was pretty cool, saved an extra 10% there. So save 10%, earn 2% cash back. That's like a total like net savings of like 12%. So that is really sick. And I wouldn't have been able to do that without Rakuten. So if you guys are looking to like start copying things and earning money like for free, again, earning money for free, then I highly recommend you guys check it out. Again, linked in the description below. You just click on that link, sign up, and you get $10 as a welcome bonus when you spend $25 or more. I mean, Black Friday is coming up, Christmas season is coming up. Perfect time to start utilizing Rakuten because you're gonna be buying presents and gifts for a whole bunch of people. And why not actually earn some money back while you're doing it, man? Again, completely free, no gimmicks here, guys. So worth it. And with Black Friday and Cyber Monday coming up, guys, Rakuten is actually giving double cash back on like every merchant on their site. So double cash back with all partnered stores, guys. That is huge. So Nike, I guess, would be 14%. Oh my gosh. I hope there's some dope sneakers dropping on Black Friday. What is dropping on Black Friday? Jordan 1 Bloodlines, 14% cash back on that. I hopefully am able to cop because I want to utilize that service. Anyway, again, check that out. Linked in the description below, guys. Thanks again to Rakuten for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for watching all the way till the end. You guys are great. This was a really awesome unboxing, man, and just a really great haul in general because I got a lot of cool personal pickups in here, but it was just really nice to show you guys like how you can actually earn money and stuff as well. So hopefully you guys do that. And again, good luck in the giveaway. That's linked in the description as well. I think it's the second link on there. So yeah, good luck on that. Free $100 to you guys as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new here, feel free to subscribe down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button as well. Thank you guys so much for coming through. And as always, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you guys on the next video. Aloha. Shoot!